In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Claude Code as a freelancer. This guide explains how to leverage Claude Code to streamline your workflow, manage multiple clients, and improve your coding efficiency. By the end, you will be equipped with practical strategies to enhance your freelance projects. To begin, Claude Code allows freelancers to build projects quickly. This capability is especially useful for scaffolding small client applications, such as websites, dashboards, and APIs. By utilizing Claude, you can generate both back-end and front-end code rapidly, which means you can focus more on the specific requirements of your clients rather than getting bogged down in repetitive boilerplate code. Next, managing multiple clients becomes much easier with Claude Code. When juggling several projects at once, it is essential to maintain a structured and consistent code base. Claude's features enable you to switch between projects seamlessly, minimizing confusion and ensuring that you can deliver quality work promptly. This organization is crucial in a fast-paced freelance environment. After that, clients often request quick changes, such as adding login functionality or integrating payment solutions like Stripe. Claude Code excels at handling these feature requests efficiently. It can update multiple files in a matter of moments, which saves freelancers hours that would otherwise be spent on tedious manual edits. This quick adaptability is a significant advantage in meeting client expectations. Another important feature of Claude Code is its ability to generate tests and documentation automatically. This functionality includes writing unit tests for newly implemented features and creating comprehensive README files and API documentation for client handoff. By reducing the time spent on explaining project details or onboarding clients, you can focus on delivering exceptional service and building long-term relationships. Lastly, Claude Code serves as a learning tool for freelancers who may have less coding experience. As you work, Claude provides explanations of code patterns and best practices. This educational aspect can help reduce reliance on external tutorials or mentors, allowing you to enhance your skills while managing your projects effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.